Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up the TP-LINK EAP610 outdoor access point, a powerful and weatherproof Wi-Fi 6 device designed for long-range, high-performance outdoor coverage. Let's get started. In the box, you'll find the EAP610 outdoor unit, a mounting kit, a waterproof enclosure for the Ethernet port, and a PO injector. Make sure you also have an Ethernet cable and a power source nearby. Choose an outdoor location that's high and clear of obstructions for best signal spread. Use the included hardware to mount the EAP610 outdoor on a wall or pole. Make sure it's securely installed and the antennas are upright. Now, connect one Ethernet cable from your modem or router to the LAN port on the PO injector. Then, connect another Ethernet cable from the PO port of the injector to the EAP610 unit. Finally, plug in the injector's power adapter. You can also set up the device via a web browser. Just enter the device's IP address, usually 192.168.0.254 in the address bar. Log in using the default credentials, usually admin for both username and password. Follow the setup wizard to configure SSID, encryption, and other network settings. Once the device is set up, walk around your outdoor area and check Wi-Fi signal strength. If the signal isn't strong in some areas, try repositioning the access point or adjusting its antenna angles. The EAP610 outdoor also supports features like band steering, mesh networking, seamless roaming, and guest networks, all of which can be managed through the Omada app or controller. If you face any issues or need assistance, our dedicated support team is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out at 1-323-507-3713 for expert guidance and troubleshooting. And that's it. Your TP-LINK EAP610 outdoor access point is now up and running, delivering fast, reliable, and long-range Wi-Fi outdoors. If this video helped you, please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and setup guides. Thanks for watching.